driving all frantically. Headphone users beware. Oh wait, I need earplugs. Why? Why? Because I'll be inside the car. There they are. I can see the engine now. Alright. Earplugs are in. Does this thing have a sunroof? Alright. Alright boys, when you have a Nissan Pathfinder, you know, it's good if you every now and then you want to change your radio. It's good to upgrade the stereo, but to upgrade the stereo, you got to remove the stereo first, okay? So to remove the stereo, you have to gently remove it with plastic, you know, those little panel poppers and whatnot. So you got to be really, really careful. So let's take it out. I think we almost got it, just a little bit more, alright? If we get it a little more loose, yeah, it's almost there. Alright, see how it's starting to come out? Yeah, there you go. We're almost to the radio. Alright, carefully remove when you got pin connectors like this. Make sure you carefully remove them so that you can reuse them afterwards. Alright, so we're almost there, guys. See this? Yeah, it's starting to come out. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, see? Now we have to put the shifter into... can't get it into neutral because there's no battery, but we can take this thing out now. Alright, see? And after that, you know, like I said before, just carefully remove it, and then you access the radio. So, from there on, straightforward, and then reverse process, alright? What? What? I don't feel right about this, man. About what? This fucking car, bro. Too late. No, it's not too late. Don't fucking tell me it's too late. It's my fucking car. Stop doing that. I gotta be a good son-in-law, okay? I'm giving it to her. It's a trade for her Mustang. Too late. Let me know. Yeah, it's recording. So when? I'm gonna show you how to easily remove a corner light. Fuck paying mechanics, do it yourself at home. Don't, we have to roll that. Nissan! Stuck. Instead of stuck. It's coming off. gonna need to oil this thing now.
This is a properly seated relay. Those are not. That's just a covering that isn't important to the function of the relay. You don't need this. This is just that factory shit they send you. That packaging. That's that plastic packaging. You don't need that. That's a properly seated relay. We're doing good. Another properly seated relay. Properly seated relay. You don't need this. No. That's how you want to make as much room as possible. You don't want to get in the way of your hammer hand. You don't need any of this. Just like pulling teeth. That right there is a properly seated relay. See this? That's just that plastic cover you get on like packages when you buy from the store. You have to come up with the scissors. You don't need that.
I'm fucking crying, bro!